The Ventilux Connect system is an intelligent, addressable Dali self-contained emergency lighting testing solution. It allows the site to be remotely supervised, tested and monitored from a dynamic central location. It's a hierarchy-based system based upon a cloud server controlling individual Dali controllers, which in turn can control and monitor up to 128 self-contained Dali emergency luminaires wirelessly. There is no Dali communication cable between the emergency luminaires and the Dali controller. The Zigbee network creates a self-healing mesh, which means that the individual luminaires do not talk directly to the Dali controller, but via adjacent emergency luminaires. The Dali controller forms the Zigbee gateway, and so it is important that the Dali controller is located in the same area as the emergency lighting mesh. Here you can see the Dali controller for floor 1 is located on floor 1. The controller for floor 2 is located in the same mesh area as floor 2. The Dali controllers are powered from an unswitched 230 volt supply and connected to the client's local LAN network via an industry standard RJ45 LAN cable. The Dali controllers are designed to be installed internally within the building and are designed to be reassessed into the wall, but can be provided with a surface mount box to assist the installation. Please note, the surface mount box is an optional extra and is not provided as standard. The individual emergency luminaires are wired as per any standard self-contained luminaire using the permanent live, neutral and earth, and are connected to the same supply as the associated mains lighting circuit. No switch live wire is necessary. Switching can be controlled via the Dali controller. All fittings come with a Zigbee antenna, and within a standard building with stud walls, 50-meter wireless distances can be achieved, which far exceed normal emergency lighting spacings. However, unlike a wired system, we do have to be conscious of the building environment. Thick concrete walls with rebar reinforcement, for example, may be an issue. And in this case, we may need to place an emergency luminaire close by to ensure the mesh effect is created. Metal housing can be an issue, but it can also be overcome with the use of an external antenna. And certain internal building infrastructure, such as metal ceiling tiles, may also require an external antenna. From an installation perspective, remotely means there is no dedicated central PC or controller using the Ventilux Connect system. This results in reduced capital cost for the installer. The remote cloud interface also allows multiple access and assists Ventilux during the commissioning sequence, setting up a Dali configuration and database remotely. Ventilux assists in the design of the emergency lighting layout with the designated electrical contractor and provide professional layout drawings defining type and location of all emergency luminaires. The electrical contractor installs the emergency luminaires as per a normal self-contained luminaire and also installs the Dali controller close to the emergency lighting mesh in accordance with the layout drawings. When first powered up, all the emergency luminaires will show a fast flashing red sequence. This indicates that the emergency luminaires have not been assigned a Dali address or linked to a Dali controller. After a period of 24 hours, the luminaires will self-commission. This will involve them switching into an emergency period for a full 3-hour duration test. During this time, the LED will flash green. Post-commissioning, the luminaires will continue to flash the same red LED sequence. Post-test, any emergency luminaires flashing at a different sequence should be noted and reported to Ventilux prior to the on-site commissioning sequence. During the on-site commissioning, Ventilux will assign each emergency luminaires a unique address using the address wizard in the Dali controller. Once assigned, the LED indicator will turn green. Each luminaire will then be physically labelled with its unique address, checked for functionality, and the install drawings will be marked up. The cloud software will then be configured with emergency luminaire addresses. Locations and layout drawings, and finally, username and passwords will be configured prior to handover. For further assistance, please call Ventilux.